Espresso, cappuccino, flat white, macchiato, cold brew. The coffee menu can feel like a puzzle. But don't worry. Today, I'm your barista, and we're breaking down every major coffee drink, so you'll never stare at a cafe menu in confusion again. Coffee isn't just a drink. It's a global culture. Each style has a story, a taste profile, and a tradition behind it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's in your cup, how it's made, and maybe even discover your new favorite. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment your go-to order. I want to know your signature drink. Everything begins with espresso, a concentrated shot brewed under high pressure in about 25 to 30 seconds. A single shot is around 30 milliliters, packed with bold flavor and topped with that golden crema. Espresso tastes intense, rich, slightly bitter, sometimes sweet depending on the beans. It's not meant to be sipped slowly like drip coffee. It's short, powerful, and the base for nearly every other cafe drink. Would you drink espresso straight, or do you always add milk? From espresso, we create the classics. Macchiato. Macchiato means stained in Italian. It's a single shot of espresso with just a spoonful of milk foam. Bitter, strong, with a tiny creamy top. Cappuccino, equal thirds of espresso, steamed milk, and thick froth. Light, airy, often sprinkled with cocoa powder, a breakfast favorite in Italy. Latte, a big crowd pleaser. A single or double espresso topped with lots of steamed milk, plus a thin cap of foam. Smooth, mellow, and great for latte art. Flat white, similar to a latte, but with less foam and a stronger coffee-to-milk ratio. Creamy, velvety, and a favorite in Australia and New Zealand. Mocha, the dessert drink of coffee. Espresso, steamed milk, and chocolate syrup or cocoa powder. Sweet, rich, and perfect for chocolate lovers. If you learned something new already, give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's chill things out. Iced coffee, brewed hot, then cooled and poured over ice. Crisp, refreshing, but can taste a bit sharper or more acidic. Cold brew, made by steeping coarse grounds in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. The result? Smoother, less acidic, often with chocolatey notes. Usually served cold, sometimes diluted or with milk. Iced latte, double espresso poured over ice, topped with cold milk. Creamy, refreshing, and customizable with flavors like vanilla or caramel. Frappuccino-style drinks, blended coffee with milk, sugar, ice, and often whipped cream. Think of it as coffee's milkshake cousin. Which one wins on a summer day? Iced coffee or cold brew? Beyond the cafe menu, the world is full of unique coffee traditions. Turkish coffee, finely ground coffee boiled in a copper sezve with water and sugar, served unfiltered in small cups, thick and intense. In Turkey, people even read fortunes from the grounds left in the cup. Vietnamese coffee, or café-style, strong Robusta coffee brewed with a metal drip filter, poured over condensed milk and ice. Sweet, bold, and energizing. Café au lait from France, equal parts brewed coffee and hot milk, usually served in a wide bowl for dipping croissants. Cortado, from Spain and Latin America, espresso cut with warm milk, balancing intensity with smoothness. Irish coffee, brewed coffee with whiskey, sugar, and cream on top. Technically a cocktail, but beloved worldwide. Legend says Viennese cafes in the 1600s first added milk and sugar to coffee, sparking Europe's cafe culture. Which country's coffee tradition would you try first? Tell me in the comments. Coffee culture is always reinventing itself. Affogato, a scoop of vanilla ice cream drowned in hot espresso, sweet, creamy, and bittersweet all at once. Dalgona coffee, whipped instant coffee, sugar, and water, served over milk. A viral sensation during 2020. Nitro cold brew infused with nitrogen gas, poured from a tap like beer. Creamy, smooth, with a natural sweetness, no milk needed. Oat and plant-based lattes, almond, oat, soy, and coconut milks have become staples, offering new flavors and textures while keeping things dairy-free. What's the most unusual coffee drink you've tried? Comment below. I want ideas for my next video. So, from tiny espresso shots to frothy cappuccinos, icy cold brews to global traditions, every coffee drink has its own personality. Some are bold, some are creamy, some are sweet, but all of them are part of the world of coffee. Next time you open a cafe menu, you'll know exactly what's behind each name and which cup is calling your name. If you love this Barista's Guide to Coffee, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment your favorite coffee drink below. Until next time, stay curious, stay caffeinated.